Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with a clean workspace and the tools ready. A soft pick, a toothpick, and a microfiber cloth. You power off and remove the earbuds so you don't accidentally damage sensors. Once done, pry gently at the speck area with the soft pick at a low angle to lift trapped debris. Make sure to keep steady pressure and small motions. You're aiming to loosen, not gouge. If resistance is high, pause and switch to a toothpick for finer control. You follow by coaxing the speck out with the toothpick, working around edges in short, careful strokes to avoid pushing debris deeper. Once loose, blow short, controlled puffs of air to dislodge particles. Make sure not to blast with canned air at close range. Then lightly dampen the cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol on its edge and wipe the area in one direction to remove oils and microdust. As you work, inspect frequently so you don't overclean or miss fragments. You finish by closing and opening the case to test lid smoothness and sensor function, ensuring everything feels normal. If a stubborn speck remains, repeat the gentle extraction under magnification, alternating toothpick and soft pick strokes while keeping the isopropyl wiped cloth handy. Make sure to avoid sharp metal tools that could scratch or delaminate finishes. Instead, use a small piece of adhesive tack to lift tiny particles safely. If anything seems wrong, stop and consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.